is where I've been. I don't have much to do today. Actually, I don't have anything to do today. I am headed to Starbucks because I want some Starbucks. No, I don't have anything. Today is Starbucks Double Stars Day, so yeah, why not take advantage? I don't have any plans today. Really just ranting. I actually wanted to come do a video today on something totally different, but I am not in the space for it, so I might end up just doing this rant in my car. Well, squirrels are throwing acorns in my car. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm a little raspy. I did just wake up, get up, do my hair, my hygiene and stuff, but I haven't drunk anything or eaten, so yeah. I still have that raspiness in my voice, and we're just gonna see where the scenery takes us today, I guess. So I will be back. Y'all, I don't know why, but it is in my spirit to do this relationship video. For those of you who do not know, I am in a relationship, a long distance relationship at that, but everything is good. I don't have any worries as far as, you know, cheating, dishonesty, anything. I don't have any problems with any of that. So my relationship is going good. I don't have no complaints, but a lot of people do look at me crazy when I say I'm in a relationship that is a long distance relationship. So I just wanted to touch bases and kind of tell y'all how I get my long distance relationship to work for me, because I mean, it may not be for everybody. Everybody does not have that willpower and understanding to be, you know, in a long distance relationship. But one thing I can say about our relationship is we are heavy communicators. Like, we communicate very frequently. We have no problems talking to each other, and it's not like a possessive relationship or anything. Like, we're communicators, and in the sense where we're going out, other one is going to know. Not because it's a possessive thing or whatever, but that's just how you let your partner know. Like, you're communicating with your partner. You're not giving me any room to assume the worst. Like, he goes out, not frequently, but he goes out, and he'll tell me probably like a couple days in advance, or even probably the night of, and he'll let me know what he's doing, where he's supposed to be, like what he's doing. I'm not gonna nag him while he's out. I'm not gonna constantly text him while he's out, because you out, you're enjoying your friends, and I wouldn't want that for me, so why would I want it for you? And that's how we go about stuff like that. As far as like communicating, we do talk every day. Sometimes we may not text more than the other day, or we may text less than one day that we were texting. We talk on the phone every day, mostly FaceTime calls. We don't really do phone calls, but we do talk on the phone every single day. And I'm sorry if it looks like I don't have a seatbelt on, y'all, and I'm driving, but I do. I just didn't want it to be in my frame. But yeah, we do talk every day, FaceTime, video chat, you know, just to talk and see each other, because we're not physically seeing each other. until we see each other in person. And my boyfriend just recently left here. My birthday is December 10th. For those of you who do not know, as far as us seeing each other, I think the last time I traveled home was around September, and it is currently December. So I haven't been home since September. He came last week. It was not planned in my case. He ended up coming to spend a week with me. That was a good experience. I loved it. I'll probably insert pictures and show y'all. But we enjoyed each other, just enjoyed each other's company. And I ended up going home this past weekend to just, you know, close the week out. Take time for each other, communicate with each other, see each other when you can, see each other as often as you can, because we don't see each other every month. It would be nice, but of course we have our own lives going on. We have our own things going on, work, school, for me. And it's like a lot of other factors that we have to worry about. So those were some factors for me when it comes to, you know, trying to get my relationship at 100. And I wouldn't say everything's perfect. It is actually, in a sense, but it's not perfect because nothing's perfect. We have our petty arguments when we're arguing, or we may disagree with one another, but it's like we're not going to bed mad at each other. We're communicating. We have no choice but to communicate because we're apart from each other majority of the time. So communicating, that's a big thing. For those of you who are X-rated, you can do what you can. And that's all I'm going to say about that. I have children who watch my channel and my mom. But that was like a rant that I feel like I need to get off my head, because I do have a lot of people asking me, how does my relationship work? And I just am very much confused on how a relationship is supposed to work. It's a relationship. It's still a relationship. You still have to communicate. You still have to sacrifice. You still have to do stuff. I just don't know. I don't get out the house much to go anywhere, to vlog anything. Like, I could do car rents like this, and I'm usually working in my car majority of the time. So, I mean, I don't know what y'all want to see as far as like vlogs or whatever. I have no problem vlogging. I have no problem going places, but I'm not that YouTuber that's gonna go spend money for a vlog every day just because I feel like I need to vlog. I'm not doing it. I'm not a 6-figure, 7-figure, hell, I'm not a 5-figure woman to be spending money constantly on stuff just to please YouTube. I am a 23-year-old, well, I'm about to be a 23-year-old college student, and my priorities are just not. It's like it's such a shame when you take it all that you can't pay. Just remember where your hell come from. Realize you got somewhere to run. Don't worry about what you're going through. Instead of worrying, here's what you can do. Praise Him anyway. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You should praise Him anyway. Okay, so my sister called and interrupted our video. But I got my drink. I got a caramel ribbon crunch with extra caramel and extra crunch. Shout out to Rita, the role model, because that's where I got it from, and I've been stuck And I also got me a cheese Danish warm. So I'm about to eat this, figure out what's on my schedule today, and I will be back, you all. Sorry for the inconvenience when my video cut out as well. My sister called me and I didn't know she was gonna be calling me so soon. But I will be back, you all. So, as promised, I told you all that I wanted to do a giveaway for my 100 subscribers, and we are now at, I want to say 164, 165 subscribers. So thank you all for that. I am truly grateful, truly appreciative, and I wanted to do a giveaway for you all. So I'm thinking I'm going to have 2 giveaway winners, maybe 3, who knows. It just depends by the time of the giveaway, but I have 3 options for you all to choose from. So first, we have a lightning set. For those of you, you may not want to do YouTube, you may want to do hair, you may want to cut hair, you may want to just take pictures. I have a ring light set up for you all, so that will be the first choice out of the giveaway. We also are going to do a $100 Visa card. So yeah, you'll be able to spend it wherever you please. You can go shopping with it, you can go to the store, you can go spend it online. Like, you can do whatever you want to do with it. It's just like a regular debit card. But the third option would be a gift card, $100, because it's $100 because it's 100 subscribers giveaway. We're doing $100, nothing less, nothing more. So last but not least, the last giveaway option would be for the pink gift card, or you can do a Sephora gift card, and those would be $100. So either or, that's the third choice, your pick. But to enter into this giveaway, just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You comment with your email and your Instagram name if you have one. If you don't have an Instagram, just comment your email. That's completely fine. Because I need a way to reach you all when I get this situated. So we're gonna do your email and or your Instagram. If you have both, you can comment both, that's fine. And tell me why you're following me. But yeah, I've been talking too long and this clip is already 3 minutes, so I'm gonna put an end to this. So good luck, and the giveaway will actually close on January this video is probably gonna go out on, what's today's date? Today's the 11th, so this video is probably gonna go out tonight. No, it's gonna go out tomorrow. I'm gonna give y'all a fresh start, and I'll probably yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a fresh start. I can actually upload this today. So if I get this uploaded today on the 11th, the giveaway will end on the 21st. If I get it uploaded tomorrow, it'll end on the 22nd. So I'm giving y'all 10 days. So good luck. I love y'all, and have a blessed day.